Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome you all in English class, and today we'll do with the poem Rain on the Roof by Kurt Skine. Kurt Skine was an American poet and he was a journalist also. He wrote this poem Rain on the Roof when he got inspired by the beauty of rain. So this is a lyrical poem, and in this poem the poet expresses his love for nature and praises the beauty of nature. And many recollections and fancies also take place in the poet's mind, and he also remember his dead mother's imagination, and he feels happy at this, and he listens the pattering sound of rain and gets thrilled. So let's start the poem now. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. The poet is all praise for the rain shower, but he says that before the rain actually starts falling, the humid shadows means the clouds laden with moisture overcast the starry spheres. Starry spheres means starry sky, the sky which is full of stars. So the poet says that when the clouds laden with water move around the starry spheres, and the darkness which is sad gently weeps in rainy tears. So the sky looks gloomy, and the poet compares the raindrops to the tears. तो जो पोएट है उसने रेन ड्रॉप्स को किससे कंपेयर किया है? टीयर्स से कंपेयर किया है, और ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो डार्कनेस है वो रो रही है और जो है अपने आंसुओं को बारिश के रूप में बहा रही है. सो इट लुक्स एज इफ द ग्लूमी डार्कनेस इज वीपिंग एंड शेडिंग टीयर्स. सो दीज are magical moments. So this is very magical moments for the poet, and he feels very happy to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening. So he feels very happy when he lies in his bedroom on the bed and listens the pattering sound of the rain over his head. Means when the raindrops fall on the roof and he listens the sound of pattering sound of the rain. So he feels very happy that time. It is really nice to hear the pitter patter of raindrops falling on the roof. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So tinkle means light ringing sound, and which sound has been referred here? The sound of raindrops. And shingles means wooden tires used on roofs, and echo means repeated sound. And weave the air thread into woof means woven across the loom. तो woof means loom. loom में जो है धागे को बुना जाता है. and patter means the sound of raindrops falling on the roof. So the poet says that the soft ringing sound of each drop falling upon the wooden roof tiles goes deep into the heart and creates an echo. तो जो उसका जो साउंड है वो जो पोएट है उसके हार्ट में हार्ट के बिल्कुल डीप मतलब गहराई तक जाता है और एक एको साउंड क्रिएट करता है. एंड व्हाट हैपन्स दैट टाइम? मीनवाइल द पोएट्स इमेजिनेशन begins to give birth to 1,000 of fancies and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Busy being start means starts to come in his dreams. So The poet's imagination begins to give birth to thousands of fancies, and he begins weaving these dreams along with the threads of his memories from the past events. और पोएट क्या करना शुरू कर देता है, अपने उन ड्रीम्स को जो है बुनना शुरू कर देता है, किसके थ्रेड से, अपनी पास्ट मेमोरीज के थ्रेड से जो है अपने सपनों को बुनना शुरू कर देता है. And it all happens when he is listening to the pitter patter of raindrops falling on the roof. और ये सब कब हो रहा है, कब उसको जो है यादें आ रही हैं उसके मन में, जब वो रेन ड्रॉप्स की जो साउंड है उसको सुन रहा है. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers era she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So era means before, and dawn means daybreak, early morning, and list means listening, and refrain means a repeated part of a song or a poem, but here refrain has been referred to the sound of the rain. So the poet says that now in memory, who comes in his memory? His mother comes in his memory. So the poet's train of thoughts takes him to the memory of his deceased mother. Deceased means dead, who is dead. He remembers how she loved her children while they were sleeping and dreaming at night. So darling dreamers, who are darling dreamers here? Darling dreamers means the poet and his siblings. So her mother loved his mother loved her children while they were sleeping and dreaming at night, and before she left them she wished that they would have sweet dreams till the next morning. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, and the poet still feels as if she is still looking at him fondly. और पोएट को अभी भी लग रहा है कि उसकी जो मदर है वो प्यार से उन्हें अभी भी देख रही हैं. एंड एज आई लिस्ट टू दिस रिफ्रेन while he is listening to the pitter patter of raindrops falling on the roof. और जब वो इस रेन ड्रॉप्स की जो साउंड है उसको अपनी छत पर जब वो गिर रही है तो सुन रहा है, तो उसे ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसकी मदर अभी भी उन्हें प्यार से, जो पोएट है उसको प्यार से अभी भी देख रही है. When the